All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we're going to speak about the last game that we played, Canada versus Jamaica, where we were really, what do you call that one? Cheers to Canada. Yeah, they really put us to the sword, right? They really put us to the sword, and we suffered a heavy defeat, heavy defeat to Canada. Now, Paul Hall said that there are some positive that you see from that game, and definitely we're going to get into that. But before we do that, people, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, show the channel some support. Uh, I think that is the best way possible you guys can show the channel some support by hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button. So we're going to get straight to the details. I won't waste any of you guys' time, because time is very precious. So let's get it up. So let me cut down on the music just a little bit. Yeah. All right. So as you can see, that there is the famous Greg Lee. So that is what it said. Positive outlook. Hall sees bright side despite Canada's hammering. Yeah. Well, I guess the Gleaner. So so let's get into the details. Let's see where we're heading with this. So it's though frustrated after the 4-0 loss or 4-0 thumping at the hands of Canada in Sunday's CONCACAF World Cup qualifier at BMO Field in Toronto, Jamaica's interim head coach Paul Hall said it was not all doom and gloom. The Reggae Boyz, who had endured cold temperatures which hovered between a minus 4 degrees and a minus 5 degrees Celsius, were never in the running after conceding the first goals to Kyle Lauren and Tajon Buchanan. Now, Junior Hoyle scored a late third for the World Cup bound Canadians before Jamaica defender Adrian Mariappa own goal worsened the scoreline just shy of full time. I don't think we are, this is what Paul said, I don't think we were a true reflection of who we could have been. I remember seeing some good patterns of play, which is what we need to be. We need to be identifiable by how we play, but we were consistent. but we were consistent, Hall told the Observer in a post-match interview on Sunday. Now, for varying reasons, Jamaica coaching staff was forced into 3 changes to the already depleted team that started in a 1-1 result against visitors El Salvador last Thursday. Forward Andre Gray, who scored Jamaica's goal against Central America in Kingston, winger Leon Bailey, and central defender Damien Lowe, all seasoned professionals, were out. In came inexperienced trio of Ricardo Thomas, Atafry Biograph, and Nicholas Nelson. Additionally, teenager Tariq Zimenez was introduced at the start of the second half of his team's senior debut. Let's get down into the more details. So Hall conceded that at time the team inexperience and lack of chemistry were exposed against Canada. A lot of Canada chances came from us giving them the ball. I don't think it came from them inventing something. I won't say that the first goal that split the defense, that ball played in between the line, I would say that definitely that was well played by Canada. All right, so it came from our sloppiness. So I think we have got things to coach, things to work on, things to improve. They are a young team, a couple of debuts, and we've just got to continue to work with them. The former Reggae Boy attacker said, "There was bravery at times on the ball. I do respect that, but like I said, we have had a couple of training sessions to get things right. The other day versus El Salvador, we were superb. But when you're trying to play a certain way, especially against a team that's topping the division, you can get some inconsistencies." And that's true. You can't deny that as well. When you're playing better teams, the mere fact that you're just getting accustomed to a particular style of play, it might be a bit difficult. There were moments in the second half when we kept the ball really well, but we didn't really look like we were going to get in behind and threaten their goal, Hall said. The wins secured Canada's spot in Qatar 2022 Global Showpiece as they climbed to 28 points, which each team having only a game left Jamaica, who have no chance of reaching the World Cup, are second to last in the 18 table with 8 points. The Reggae Boyz' final match of the campaign is against visiting team Honduras at the National Stadium on Wednesday. United States and Mexico both on 25 points, but separated by goal difference, are placed second and third respectively. Costa Rica are fourth with 22 points and cannot be caught out by contention Panama 18. Also without a chance of advancing are 6th place El Salvador 10 points and cellular team Honduras 4 points. Only top 3 countries from the region are assured a place in Qatar 2022 World Cup. The 4th place team will have a chance to compete for another spot via an intercontinental playoffs. Let me see if there's anything else to add to that. No, there's not. There's nothing more to add to it. So, that is the situation. Paul Hall spoke about some of the good stuff that he saw, in which I won't say that everything was all bad. As I said, in the second half, we did move the ball a little bit better. You saw when Daniel Grimm came into the central zone, in that number 8 zone, and we kind of kept a little bit more possession, kept our position of the ball a little bit better. But who's to say? I do believe that if we had a stronger team out there, it would not be such a good or a field day for Canada. I'm being sure about that. I highly doubt that. But in the same sense, we have seen cases where we have a better team out on the pitch and poor team actually came and slapped us up. So it's really difficult. Most people are speaking about the conditions. I do think that the conditions play a part, but not that of a big part, aspect. Maybe about 30% to the defeat. Not 70%. 70%, I think 50% was actually quality, and the next 20% was just where I put the next 20%? Preparation. You know what? I'm going to put 50% on JFF. I'm putting 50% on JFF, 20% on quality, and 30% on 20 on weather, 30 on quality, and 50% on JFF. We should have gotten it right from get-go. We should have gotten it right from the get-go. I do believe so. But anyways, people, I won't go any further into these details. I do appreciate you guys coming in. Hopefully you guys are doing good. People, Paul Hall said he sees some positive, and he highlighted the positive in regards to us playing the ball, us trying to play from the back, us holding a little bit more possession. But as he said, we didn't look like we were going to threaten them at all. But so, that is it, people. That is football and how it is some of the time. Hopefully, guys, until next time, we'll see you guys again. Military Guna TV, people. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you have done so, and drop final in the comment. And tell me what you think. Not only final, but tell me what you think. So drop final and also tell me what you think about Paul Hall's comment in regards to the positive that he saw from this scene. He highlighted how we played. We tried some stuff. The emergence of the youngster Tariq Zimenez. So I highlighted some stuff. We cannot deny that we never saw anything like that. But I definitely believe that beating would really, really put a distaste in most Reggae Boy fans' taste buds. So that's football some of the time. Anyways, smash the like button. People, Military Guna TV. We are out. Boom.